Did you know Nepal is ranked as the fourth most climate change vulnerable nation in the world? Hello everyone, it's me Divas, a student of St. Alphonsus School, and in coming 3 minutes you will know about the carbon emission, its impact and its practical solution. What is carbon emission? Carbon emission simply means the release of carbon in the atmosphere. There are both natural and human sources of carbon emission. Natural sources include decomposition and respiration, whereas human sources include deforestation and burning of fossil fuel. How carbon emission cause climate change? Increased CO2 in the atmosphere give rise to greenhouse gas. Excessive CO2 released in the air creates a cover that traps the sun heat energy in the atmospheric bubble, warming the planet and the ocean, which is even called global warming. Now, let's have a look on its impact. Melting of polar ice cap, rising of sea level, wildfire, respiratory disease, extreme weather, and food supply disruption are the major impact of climate change. The more you know about carbon emission, the better equipped you can be to make a positive difference. So, let's have a practical solution to solve this impact. Renewable energy. Changing our main energy source to clean and renewable energy like solar and hydroelectricity can contribute hugely to mitigate this impact. Sustainable transportation. Give more priority to electric vehicle instead of fuel vehicle whenever you go for buying. Solid waste management. Instead of burning solid waste, apply the concept of 3Rs: reduce, reuse and recycle. Afforestation. Even every single individual planting a tree on his or her birthday can solve this impact. Has Nepal played any role on climate change mitigation? Nepal has described its plan to reduce carbon emission and build climate change adaptation and resilience in 2009 and 10. Along with this, it has formulated different programs to make people aware about this impact. Due to COVID, we all are at our own homes, and it is a perfect time to make an effort on climate change mitigation. Plant at least one tree near your house and supply necessary nutrients needed for it. Spend time with nature, wear masks whenever you go out, and engage yourself in useful tasks. If you find this video useful, share with your friends.